Hi there. I'm going to show you a new feature in Prime today, and that's the ability to customize the job details that you see in your map pins. So firstly, what are map pins? If we jump into the map, and you'll see that on the top left, you have the Show Me option here. We can show jobs, contacts, or work orders as different pins. So jobs will be red pins, contacts will be blue pins, work orders are green pins. Right now, I'm only showing job pins. So I'm going to hit search on that and it will locate all of my job pins across the country. So if I open a pin, or if I click on a pin, more the point, you'll see that it has some information about the job displayed there. So right now we're seeing the job number, the status, the customer name, site address, and then we're seeing information about the assigned user, the case manager, the supervisor, and the estimator. That's the stock standard map pin details that we see in Prime. If I jump over to administration and I navigate into the company section and go to dashboards, I can now add a dashboard and select job map marker. So when I do that, it allows me to then customize what information I see in that marker pop up. So if I simply add a row and then select maybe the customer as my first item, then add another row, and maybe after the customer, I'll have the site address, add another row, maybe put in the assigned user, add another row, add the main contact email, and finally the main contact preferred number, and save that. If I now go back to my map and perform my search again, there's my marker that I popped up last time. And if I pop it up this time, it now shows you distinctly different information based on the customizations I just made in the job map marker dashboard.